Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME C17 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and then simply enter the Play Store. Another important thing is the Google account, which should be currently added to the device. Thanks to it, you will be able to immediately follow my steps. If not, you will have to either sign up or log in right here. If you're not sure how to do it, no worries, we've got the tutorial in which I explain how to add and remove the Google account in this device, so I highly recommend to check it and then come back to this video. So after entering the Google Play Store, simply enter this circle, which is your account, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now let's tap on Manage, and as you can see right here, we've got the list of currently installed apps, and if you want to check the updates, simply tap on Updates Available. And right here we've got the list of them. So basically, if you want to, you can mark all of them, so you will update all of them, or just choose the apps you'd like to update. So let me pick Google Chrome, maybe Google Drive, maybe Google One, and maybe Music. So after marking the apps, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and that was a misclick. Yes, right here, and as you can see, right now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated, so you do not really have to do anything more. Just wait patiently. Of course, you don't have to wait here, you can turn it off and do whatever you want. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.